Good evening, Puneet.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
Ma'am, I am also fine.
So, yeah, just I'll be introducing myself. I am Meenu from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an introduction about yourself, Puneet.
Myself, Puneet Dudi. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I complete my BTech from VIT Vellore. Now I completed CACM course also in CMTI.
Okay, so how did you come to know about CMTI, Puneet?
Ma'am, I know about my friend Ravi.
Okay. So, yeah, I just sort of asking like you have pursued the certified course, right? Apart from
Yes, ma'am.
college studies, how different it was to you?
Ma'am, I am learning so many things from CMTI. They
Okay.
give on field training and that things of training not give in college, ma'am. So CMTI is very good institution.
Okay. So, what are the things you have learned in certified course? You can brief out the point.
Ma'am, on this site visits and so many things I learn SketchUp, learning from CMTI, ma'am.
Okay. How was our CMTI trainers? So how you was
They are
comfortable with
all
them?
are good faculties, trainers, ma'am. Ashok sir also good for teaching. They are also um giving me so many things.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I just yeah. So yeah, you came from different place and how the Bangalore exploring and how it was to you. It was everything new,
Nice,
right?
ma'am. Bangalore also good. Like nowadays, good weather for in Bangalore, ma'am. In my place is very hot nowadays.
It's nice you like Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am. It's
The
very
food and
nice.
everything was set.
My food is so different, but ma'am, atmosphere is good, ma'am.
Okay, nice to hear.
Yeah.
Regarding you went for the interview things, all right. So I just sort of asking you, you went for site experience. How was the site experience to you?
Ma'am, good sites experience, ma'am. I learn so many things from sites, ma'am. Like I visit in Asian Paint on so many sites, so I learn so many things from sites visits.
So yeah, so regarding how was our CMTI staff's assistance? How did they guide
Ma'am,
you?
ma'am say are good. All our faculties are good. Ashok sir is too much guiding me in every each and every things. They guide me how to do next step interviews. They know all these things they are provide. So.
Okay, you know about our CMTI app, right? So how much do you like
Yes, ma'am, I know,
CMTI
ma'am.
app?
Yes, ma'am. CMTI is also good, ma'am. I learn so many things from CMTI apps. All our videos and uh, projects are available in CMTI apps, ma'am. So I learn from CMTI app also.
Okay, very
Basically, ma'am,
happy.
CITI is a very good institution.
Okay, thank
Yes, ma'am.
you.
Thank you
So
so much,
like,
ma'am.
would you like to refer CMTI to your friends, Puneet?
Yes, ma'am. I refer my friends from CMTI if they are learning really in site and they want interested in site works. I refer so many friends, ma'am, from CMT
Okay.
to CMT.
So what is
Thank you.
Puneet's final point of view? What do you want to tell to upcoming juniors and who want to pursue the course? What do you want to tell
Uh,
Puneet?
Now I tell some to my juniors to join CMTI and learn and improve your knowledge because in college they are not provide on site visit and these things. Only they are provides like on books or this knowledge. So if they want for site knowledge, they come to CMTI. CMTI is a very good institution.
Thank you so much, Puneet, for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.